Right guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Bybit chart tools. You can actually come back to the home, then tap on any coin. It is going to take you to the chart menu. You see this menu button here, this icon here. You can click on it and actually search for any coin you want to trade. Let me search for Cardano, which is ADA. You can see this is ADA USDT. Let me search for dots. And so this is dots. So you can actually search for any pair you want to trade. Let's use ton for an example. Let me search for ton. So this is the ton we want to trade, ton USDT. Now you can see this little star button here. This is also you can try to favorite a pair just from this menu. If you click on star, it is going to show in your favorite coins, under the favorite coins. Then you see this button here is just like for sharing the chart screenshots. You can either screenshot the normal way or just click on this little icon here, then it is going to save a screenshot for you. You can save it here or copy the link to just send the screenshot. Then 24-hour high, which is the highest amount the coin has attained in the past 24 hours. We have 24-hour low. This is the lowest amount, 3.697 that ton was at in the past 24 hours. And then the turnover is just, I explained turnover in my last video. Turnover is the total market cap. So you can see $16.7 million. So this is the total amount of dollars that is invested into this particular pair, ton, on Bybit. Then what else? So we have the indicators here. Although you cannot use we have another app for analyzing your pairs. Like if you want to start trading whether sports or futures, I will not advise using Bybit to do your analysis. We have a better application for that. I'm still going to teach technical analysis too, so I don't advise using Bybit to do your analysis. So you just come here to execute your trades and take profits and loss. That's all. So below here, this line here, this is where our indicators are. On that app I'm talking about, you can also find so many indicators here, but this one are just the basic ones. You can see we have moving average, EMA, exponential moving average, Bollinger Bands. If I want to expand my charts, maybe put it in landscape mode, this button here is what I'll use. So let me just click on it to expand the chart. You can see, so my chart is expanded. Let me go back. I can also click here to go back. So if you also check down below, you can see we have alerts, we have tools, and we have perpetual. Perpetual means futures. Down here we have alerts. So let's click on price alerts. Now presently you can see the present price of ton is $3.79. Now let's assume I've bought ton. Let's say I bought ton at this market price, which is $3.79. I can decide to set an alert on Bybit to notify me if ton reaches maybe $4.5. So I will not need to be checking the charts every now and often. I will just set my alert to the price I want Bybit to notify me at, $4.5. If I want it to notify me when maybe ton drops down to below $3, maybe like 2.6, I'll just set it, then subscribe. Then frequency, how often do I want the notification to come? Every 5 minutes, once only, repeated alert. So then if you also want it to monitor the percentage price for you, so just click on the price changing percentage. But I prefer using the price because once you start doing your analysis, you are going to be taking orders at certain market prices. So you can see if I set ton to give, if I set the alert to notify me at $4.5, like when ton which is $4.5, just click on subscribe. I would have chosen alert once only, then $4.5, subscribe. Because it's asking me to enable notification. Let me enable. So that's all. My price alert is set. You can set a lot of alerts, 100, more than that. You can set alert on different pairs. You can set another alert on BNB, on Bitcoin, and other coins. So that's that for the alert session. Then let me check this one here. The custom widgets. You can have a floating window. It's going to be like a PIP, picture in picture notification. Let me show you how it looks like. If I put on the floating window, you can see if I put on the floating window, if I set Bitcoin to, okay, let me use spot. If I set Bitcoin, can you see the floating window? So if I'm using any app on my phone, I am still going to be seeing this floating window here, this little picture here, and it is going to be updating the price as long as my phone screen is on. So that's another way to set alert on Bybit. If I close the app, I'm still going to be seeing this button. You can see I'm still going it. If I use any app, I'll still be seeing this button. So just to monitor the price, every time. So that's about the floating window, but I don't want to use it, so I'm going to switch it off. So that's that for the alerts. Then if we come here and go to trade, we are still on that spot. So this is we were using Ton to explain. So let me go back and search for Ton. Now this is you can see this, but this a price that is showing green. This is the mark price, short for market price. Then the one that is showing the approximation button, this 3.78 USD, that one is the last price. I think that was well explanatory enough. Then this orders here, this number of orders like 3.791 here, this one you are seeing here, this is the number of orders that are being executed immediately, like limit orders and market orders that are being traded by traders all over the world. So people are buying and selling at this particular prices here. Yeah, I forgot. I want to explain the time frame we have on the chart. You can see this button, this menu here, this time 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, more. You can customize it. It is the time frame. I can select 5 minutes. So you can see once I selected 5 minutes, this candle is going to change. Like the candle range is going to change. Now this means every candle you are seeing here, red, green, red, represents 5 minutes. If I change the time frame to 15 minutes, you can see it has changed. It means every coin that they are seeing here represents 15 minutes each. If I change to 1 hour, 4 hours. Now this is 1 day. We can choose 1 month, 1 week, 12 hours, but let me use 1 day to explain. Now this one, you can see this is the last, this is today's candle. The time is 11:50 p.m. now. That means once today is over, a new candle is going to form. So the candle you are seeing is representing the time frame you selected. So that's time frame for you. We are going to discuss more about time frame when we get to the technical analysis class. So this is order book. You can see these are the number of traders that want to sell, people that want to sell, people that want to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You can see people are really waiting for their orders to get filled. So the trades, these are the present trades. People are buying. Someone just placed a sale order of 5 ton. Somebody just bought 38 ton. Somebody just sold 100 ton. So every order that is being placed on Bybit is going to be shown. Even if you yourself place an order, you can find it here if you are fast enough to view it. So that's for the trade. Then overview. This is the tokenomics, or should I say the total info of this particular coin ton. You can see the date it was released, 2022. So this is Ton's main website. So that's overview. The network. Ton, I think Ton was built on Ton blockchain. So Ton has his own network by itself. So that's everything you need to know about the chat tools. So that's it, guys. In our next video, I'm going to be showing how to buy coins yourself. We are going to try live sports trade, how to use signals, and I'll explain all these limits, orders, limits, markets, OCU, and every other term you need to understand under the Bybit sports trading session. If you like this video, please kindly give it a like and subscribe for the next video. Bye.